Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change the color of text in Blender. So if you want to do it, we need to go to Add and then go to Text. After that, our text has been successfully created here. And now we need to go to the right side settings, and here we have something like material properties. We need to select this one option, and after that we will be able to click here New button. Then a new material will be successfully added here. Okay, so what we need to do now is go to the base color and select the color that you want to use. For example, I select here blue color. After that, we need to change the display settings and set here display in material preview mode. So I click on this one option, and like you see, text color has been successfully changed. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. If you have any questions, remember to include them in comment under this video. And that's all for today. Thanks you for watching my tutorials.